Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to explain from your writing section poster through the online classes. This is class 11th A1. Your question is here. I have written your question. You are asked, आपसे कहा जाता है to prepare a poster, एक पोस्टर बनाने के लिए। यू आर आस्क्ड टू प्रिपेयर ए पोस्टर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिल्ली पुलिस। दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से आपको एक पोस्टर बनाने की बात की गई है, राइट। पुलिस ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट, और कहाँ से की गई है? दिल्ली पुलिस ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट ने की तरफ से आपको एक पोस्टर बनाना है। यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ए पोस्टर आस्किंग पीपुल टू कोऑपरेट बाय नॉट वायोलेटिंग द ट्रैफिक रूल। और ये उसमें कहा जाए, आपको ये लिखना है आस्किंग पीपुल, लोगों को बताना है, लोगों को बोलना है, नॉट वायोलेटिंग द ट्रैफिक रूल, कि वे ट्रैफिक रूल को वायोलेट ना करें, उसका खंडन ना करें और उसका पालन करें, कोऑपरेट करें। क्लियर? तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको पोस्टर के बारे में बता देता हूं कि पोस्टर होता क्या है। ये पोस्टर इज ए वेरी यूजफुल मीन्स टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट करेंट सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स। जो करेंट सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स होती है उसके बारे में लोगों में जागरूकता उत्पन्न करने का यह एक साधन माना जाता है। मीन्स पोस्टर जो है, पोस्टर, ये जो पोस्टर है इज ए सोर्स थ्रू विच you can create awareness among people and problems. What your problems your society is facing, the people who are facing problems such as traffic accidents, these things. So you have to prepare through the poster, you have to make them aware, you have to give your ideas, your views. Posters are also very useful to make an announcement or appeal through the poster. इस पोस्टर के माध्यम से आपको एक अपील करना होगा, करने के लिए किया जाता है, अपील कर सकते हैं, अनाउंसमेंट कोई कर सकते हैं। तो नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ ए पोस्टर। एक पोस्टर का फॉर्मेट क्या होता है? विजुअली अट्रैक्टिव, पहला पॉइंट इसका होता है विजुअली अट्रैक्टिव। एक पोस्टर जो है वह विजुअली अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए, राइट। यानी वो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर पोस्टर विथ डिफरेंट साइज अल्फ़ाबेट्स, डिफरेंट कलर्स, सो दैट इट कैन इजली अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन ऑफ द पीपुल। फर्स्ट पॉइंट। सेकेंड, ए पोस्टर शुड हैव ए स्ट्राइकिंग डिज़ाइन। इसका डिज़ाइन बिल्कुल स्ट्राइकिंग होना चाहिए, सरप्राइजिंग, अमेजिंग, दैट इन अदर वर्ड्स यू कैन से अट्रैक्टिव। ए पोस्टर शुड हैव बिगर कैपिटल लेटर्स बिकॉज इट इज़ रीड बाय द पब्लिक फ्रॉम ए डिस्टेंस। और पोस्टर जब हम लगाते हैं तो ए पोस्टर इज अटैच्ड ऑन एनी वॉल, ऑन एनी pole, and people, any kind of audience through the people. Suppose that we are traveling by the bus, through the window we got a chance to see any posters, so that should be written with capital large alphabets so that anyone can easily read it from the distance. Keep it in your mind. Second thing, a poster should not have any unusual words. It means point to point, whatever instructions is given through the poster, that should be directly reflected to your point. Target. What is your target? What do you want to convey through the poster to the people? A poster can be made for catch by using phrases, slogans, phrases should be also written so that it can increase the curiosity, interest in the hearts of the audience. They can read with large interest. They showed interest. They should feel happy with humorous mind. They can read your posters. इन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. अब देखिए, I have prepared obey traffic rules, avoid accidents. हमने इसको डिफरेंट कलर में लिखा है. आई हैव रिटन विथ डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड विथ लार्ज बिग अल्फाबेट्स so that it can be easily read, it can attract the attention of the people, audience. Obey traffic rules, avoid accidents. This line I have written with large alphabets. Second point I have written saves lives and prevent traffic rules. So the first line which I have written, obey traffic rules, avoid accidents. Dear guys, you can, students, you can see that its size, the size of A, this size. I am talking about this portion, this size. This is, and this size I will talk here. This one. So this size of alphabet should be bigger than these alphabets, because this is the first line. First line that should be attractive, that should be written in bold letters, capital letters, and that capital letters will be the biggest of all the alphabets written in these posters. Second thing, always remember few points I have written. You have to also write. Always remember. First point I have written here. To always remember this distance you have to maintain. This distance. There should be gap. Should be gap. Here is gap. Here is gap. And thereafter here is gap. And then you see your first point is use seat belts and follow traffic rules. Means whatever instructions you are going to give, that instructions strike the minds of the audiences. They should feel, they should be curious to know about the new things. So always use seat belts and follow traffic rules. Don't drink and drive. Alcohol, as you see that most of the people, most of the drivers, they meet with an accidents, and the reason behind their accidents is alcohol. They take wine and then they drive. Most of the people have been seen that they will keep their mobile on their earphone, keep their bike moving like that. So you should avoid while driving. You should avoid talking with someone. You should not attend any call while driving. If you feel that yes, the call is urgent, you need to just park your vehicle aside of the road and then you need to talk. But most of the people have been seen, so you should avoid drink and drive. Secondly, don't cross the speed limit. There is a speed limit. More maximum drivers, they feel happy and due to excitement they accelerate the speed of their vehicles more than 100, 120, 120, 130.